Vibrating screen. Raw material is sent regularly by the vibrating feeder to the primary jaw crusher. The crushed material is sent to the secondary jaw crusher to be crushed again. The crushed material is sent by belt conveyor to vibrating screen to be separated. The material, whose size is suitable for the feed size of the sand-making machine, can be sent to the sand-making machine. The unsuitable material should be sent back to the secondary jaw crusher to be crushed again. The crushed material from the sand-making machine is sent back to the vibrating screen to be separated.